Ever had one of those nights that starts out like any other, but ends up being the best night of your life? I did. Our goal that night was simple. 12 pubs, 12 pints, from the first post to the world's end. But that night, we never made it.
I saw the boys the other day. We're going to go back to Newton Haven.
Why?
5 guys, 12 pubs, 50 pints. 60 pints.
Oh, steady on, you alky.
This is our chance to finally finish what we started. No. We are going to do the Golden Mile, and this time we are going to see it through to the bitter end. Or lager end. Good evening, Raymondo. The prodigal son's return.
Hi.
What do you recommend?
Beer.
One tap, what, please?
What? What the hell is this? Why are we even here?
We are here to get annihilated.
You come back and everything's sort of weird.
I suggest you get on your way.
It's not us that's changed. It's the town.
We are going to get to the world's end if it kills us. Welcome home, boys.
Oh, no.
The world's end.
What do we do?
Let's finish our drinks.